Hello, thank you for joining me for a new and exciting tutorial on the square one. Let's get started. The move I wanted to show tonight, what it's going to do is it's going to solve, well actually on the bottom, but I'll show it in a minute, but it's going to solve all the edges. I may show the parity move, I may not, I'm not sure. I got to see how the video goes, and I have a couple different cases that I wanted to sort of point out and see where it actually goes. So this is the second to last move before you solve it. So that's what we're doing. It's Friday night here, and of course I got my McDonald's coffee, McCafe. Yeah, I'm loving it. Gets me a little pumped up for Friday night, so I enjoy a good coffee on a Friday. So let's get started. And so what you want to do is, let's see here. All right, the green bar here, and there's three edges that are not solved, here, here, here. What we want to do is we want to bring this up to the top because it's easier to solve that way. It's harder to solve it on the bottom, or even if you flip it, because you got to do different angles. It's definitely easier to solve on top. So we'll do a slice, bring that up, the white part or whatever color it is you have on the bottom, and then turn it all the way to the left side here. Then we want to bring the white around to this side, like this. So it's in the slice, and we just bring it straight up. And then you just straighten it out. So now what we do is we bring the green around to this side, to the left side. And it doesn't matter if it matches or not. It doesn't matter. As long as you do the move, once you do the move, it'll solve it. And we're going to do this move twice all together. So if you have a bar, or if you don't have a bar, if you have the bar, just put it on the left side. That's fine. Okay, so let's do the move. We're going to go that way. We're going to do 1 right here. That's positive 1 going that way. On the bottom, it's 0. We're not moving this. So we do 1 like that. We do 1 slice. Then we're going to do 3 going this way, and that's considered negative 3. So 1, 3, slice. We're going to bring 3 back this way, 3, slice. We're going to bring 3 back this way again. It's 3, 1, 3, slice. And then we're going to bring 3 going that way. Or I'm sorry. Yeah, it's coming back this way one more time. So we do 3 again. 2, 3, and slice. And then we straighten this out like that. And if you have a bar, or if you have an edge pair, like these, like let's say it's blue and you have 2 blues like this, or you have 2 reds, put it on the left side. So we have the bar here, that's what we want. And now we're going to do this move. You leave it, we're not moving it like this, just leave it straight like this. And we're going to do this move, slice, 3. So it's like that, it lines up. Slice, 3, slice, 3, slice, and bring it back, 3. Then we do the slice move again. And what that did, it solved the top, all the way around. It's all solved. So on the bottom we got the parity, which usually I would say about almost 9 times out of 10 you're going to have this parity. So I pretty much just wanted to go over this move so you understand it. I got another case here. Give me 1 second. Let me grab another cube. Grab my coffee. Oops. Grab my coffee also. Okay, so it's almost the same thing. We got the bar on the left side. We put it there. Once you have all your edges matching all the way around, the edges match. And when you start off doing this move, excuse me, you put the bar on the left side, and it doesn't matter if the edges are matching or not as far as the right color scheme. That's okay, as long as the edges are like matching like this. It doesn't have to line up, just as long as they're the same colors. Okay, so we're going to do the same move again. We got the parity on the bottom. So like I said, it happens very often at the end of the solve. So it's a good idea to learn the parity move because you're going to most likely get it. All right, 1, 0, we're not moving this. So it's 1 going that way, like this, 1, slice. Now we're going to do 3 going this way, 1, 3, slice. Bring it back, 2, 3, slice. One more time. 3, slice, bring it back, 2, 3, slice. Then you straighten this part out. Doesn't matter if this is sticking out or not, that doesn't mean nothing. Now that we have the bar again, another bar, you just leave this in place, okay, like straight. And we do the move again. Slice, 3, or wait a minute, let me make sure I did that right. Yeah, okay. Slice, 3, slice, 3, slice, 3, slice, come back with it, 3, and then slice. So it did solve it. I thought maybe there might be a different case on it, and I did that just to show, just in case, because I was practicing and trying to do different cases, but that's all right. It's the same one as the last square one I just did, the same move. So at the end, a lot of times you're going to have parity where green is going to come this way or red's going to come this way. It doesn't matter. It's all the same. And like I said, this is at the bottom. A good idea, if you have the parity, like for me, this is for me. Maybe it's for you, maybe it's not, but it's easier to solve it on top. From my experience, I've solved it quite a few times now, like many times, and to me, it's much easier if you bring it up. So, and I have a black version too, so we just bring it up like this, the white, put it on the left side, so it lines up like this. Then you bring the other white over here, spin it around like that, so it lines up here, like this. And you just bring it straight up like that. Don't move it like this. And don't move it like this. Just bring the white on the right side here and just bring it straight up, and then just straighten it out. So then you have the parity on top, and it's easier to access the move. So I just wanted to go over that move because that's real important. And like I said, if, let's say for example, you had the 4 edges and they're all in the right places, but you don't have a bar, you do that same move, okay, and it'll either give you a bar or it'll turn into parity. But that's what you want, because that's moving you one step closer to solving it. Because there's other cases where you could switch the edges or switch that, like that, all the way around, switching the edges. There's so many cases, but if you do that move, usually it'll give you the bar or the parity, so it's actually moving you one step closer instead of giving you extra cases. And it's easier this way. It really is. So if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I really mean that. And have a great day. And if you ever get a chance, check out some good McDonald's coffee if you like it. I'm loving it. Have a great day.